Hello, everybody. So today we're going to look at decision templates. And decision templates are reusable blocks of code that we can use in our decision model. Ultimately, it's going to save the developers a lot of time if we can make these reusable blocks. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to essentially create an experience. I have the decision templates already made. So if you go here in Developer Center, you go here to Decision Templates, you can see I have all these different decision templates made. And what I'm going to do, there's just chunks of code that you can use inside of your decision model. And essentially what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and build an experience from scratch using these different decision templates, which will give me the flexibility to create lots of different experiences with a different combination of different templates. So, all right, let's go ahead and create an experience. I'm going to create a web experience. Let's call it suggest item. We're going to go ahead, and the first thing to look at here is you go to the API tab and you look at it's looking for the get product details node and suggested product to get product details.title. Okay. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and do that. Just quickly page targeting equals filter and then decisioning. Okay, so this is the part we really want to focus on. I'm going to create a new decision model. Let's call it suggest item. Okay, so inside of this canvas, we're just going to go ahead and build our experience. And you can see these are the decision templates right over here. I haven't been using them, but I just discovered them. So you can see here I have titles for all the different decision templates I have. And you can see here that in the information pop up here, we have a description of what it does. And also, importantly, I added the input IDs and the output references so that we can keep track of what fits into what. So this gives us a lot, and the more you can build up these decision templates, and that will give you on the fly the ability to build out lots of different experiences without having to rewrite these blocks of code over and over again. I have the guest data object in here, and I'm going to use, let's just keep with the same experience we've been doing. Get most recent brand clear from cart, get product category. Let's get product category clear from the cart and add that one. So we can see here, this module takes the guest history as an input and then outputs the category of the latest item clear from the cart. Okay. And then we can just connect those like that. It tells you exactly what it is. Then we are going to put in a decision table. And we're going to put in another decision template up here. And let's see, we want to get product details. This module takes the product ID with a reference of suggested item ID input, and outputs the ID price. Okay. So we're going to add that one. And I need to add in the inventory. Oops. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead here and in the decision table, this column will be category. Let's do lowercase. And the second one will be fragrances. Just do 2 for now. Add an output column. And remember, this had to be suggested item ID. And you're going to see here, okay, suggested item ID. Now, I did this. I was speaking at a Sitecore user group a few weeks ago, and I presented this as a way for the idea was that the developer sets up creates all these templates and reusable blocks of code and labels them and documents them well. And the business practitioner can just come in and move things around and really work independently. Well, as you can imagine, as I was doing my demo of this, a bug got created. It didn't want this output reference being used more than once. And so I had to go into the code and change. So I kind of proved my own thesis wrong there when I was presenting. But I do feel that this is powerful, that it's going to save developers a lot of time by creating these reusable blocks of code. So, okay, suggested item ID. I'm going to go ahead and add another one, which is create a discount. Okay, let's just make 2 simple rules here. I've already gone over this in my previous videos, so this is should be old news by now. And then fragrances, we'll make that one number 7. And then we will attach an offer. Okay. And then this, okay, let's go ahead and test this out. Okay, looks good. Sometimes this name changes on me. This has got to be get product details. Okay, save this. Move the variant into production. And now we're going to go ahead back to our experience, and we're going to connect our decision model. And let's not track performance for now. And then let's just go ahead and preview this. Okay, so there you go. So this is similar to the experience I built before. The biggest thing I just wanted to show is, and what I'm going to do going forward, is really just building a library of decision templates out, and that will save us a lot of time and create consistency when we are building out our decision models. So anyways, thank you. If you like the video, give it a like, please, and subscribe to our channel.